Good evening, viewers. Welcome to the news. I am Noel James. In the headlines, Eid ul Adha celebrated in Meghalaya along with the rest of the world. Prime Minister, President, Chief Minister and Governor, among others, extend greetings. Ma Amma becomes Meghalaya's first Garo movie to win a national award. Congratulatory messages pour in from all quarters. Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Kiran Rijiju confers 20 persons with National Youth Award on International Youth Day. And CBSE hikes exam fees for SC/ST by 24 times, general to pay double the amount. Move worries government students. The news in detail. Eid ul Adha, also known as Bakri Eid, was celebrated on Monday with fervor and enthusiasm across India, including Meghalaya, where Muslims constitute only about 4.40% of the total population in the state. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, along with President Ram Nath Kovind and Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, among others, extended their greetings to the people on the occasion. Meghalaya Governor Tathagata Roy and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma also extended their greetings to the people. Thousands offered prayers at Eidgahs and mosques in Shillong, Dauki, Nongpo, Ladrambai and Barnihat, as well as in Garo Hills region. The biggest congregation took place at the Eidgah here, which is also the country's first glass mosque, the Medina Masjid in Shillong, where over 10,000 people gathered together to offer prayers. Meghalaya origin filmmaker Dominic Sangma's Ma Amma has become the first ever Garo movie to win national award in the Best Garo Film category. The cast of the movie also recently won the Best Actor award at Prague Cine Awards 2019 at a ceremony held in Guwahati. Ma Amma is Sangma's first feature film and is a depiction of the director's life. Following the announcement, congratulatory messages poured in from all sections of the state, including the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, who hailed Dominic Sangma as an inspiration for the youth of the state and the region. Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Kiran Rijiju today conferred the National Youth Awards for 2016-17 on 20 individuals and 3 organizations at a function in New Delhi on the occasion of International Youth Day. The awards are presented to young persons and voluntary organizations every year in recognition of their outstanding work in the field of national development and social service. An individual award comprises of a medal, a certificate and cash prize of 50,000 rupees, while a cash prize of 2 lakh rupees is given to the youth organization. The National Youth Awards function also included spectacular cultural performances like folk dancers from various states. The Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE has increased the fees of Class 10 and 12 board examinations for SC and ST students from Rs 50 to Rs 1,200, while the amount has been doubled for those from the general category, who will now have to pay Rs 1,500. CBSE has also more than doubled the migration fees from Rs 150 to Rs 350. Students who have not cleared their examinations and are seeking readmission will now have to shell out Rs 5,000. While private school students might not be much affected, the move could be a cause of concern for students studying in government schools. In an attempt to improve the maternal mortality rate, MMR, Meghalaya may soon adopt a statewide technology to map expectant mothers to assist them in reaching the nearest health centers on time. The Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma informed the same while addressing the National E-Governance Conference held for the first time in northeast India in Shillong from 8th August to the 9th of August. It may be mentioned that a pilot project pertaining to this was implemented in southwest Khasi Hills district, which showed a huge improvement in the maternal mortality rate, and the same is now being mooted to be implemented in the entire state of Meghalaya. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the vision of the NDA government for the next 5 years is to have investment-led growth targeting 100 lakh crore rupees worth of investment. He also added that the government is working on policies to promote inflows from domestic as well as foreign sources to achieve this vision. The Prime Minister also asserted that the government will leave no stone unturned to make India a better business destination. To commemorate Independence Day 2019, the Raj Bhavan in Shillong will be kept open for the general public on the 14th and 15th of August from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded to be 29.5 degrees Celsius while the minimum stood at 19 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 59% and rose to 79% in the evening. The forecast: Shillong and its adjoining areas will have generally cloudy sky with rain and thundershower likely to occur. Before we conclude, here are the headlines once again. Eid-ul-Adha celebrated in Meghalaya along with the rest of the world. Prime Minister, President, Chief Minister and Governor, among others, extend greetings. Ma Amma becomes Meghalaya's first Garo movie to win a national award. Congratulatory messages pour in from all quarters. Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Kiran Rijiju confers 20 persons with National Youth Award on International Youth Day. And CBSE hikes exam fees for SC/ST by 24 times. General to pay double the amount. Move worries government school students. Well, that's all we have for you today. Do join us again tomorrow at the same time. From all of us here at the studio, good night.